Hello and welcome to this week's box opening. We're taking a look at Moebius Models 1965 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Gasser. See a nice box art. This is a sedan variant with the post body, 1/25th scale, skill level 3, recommended 15 and up. The side flap gives us a shot of the interior, some chrome engine parts, multiple decal options, the gas attack on this side. Our end flap has another shot of our top art with our part number of 2324. And opposite side has another decal package there with the Chevy 2 Hot. Over 100 parts, full color decals, detailed instructions. So let's get into her. And that's how she comes box with the body loose. Again, this is the sedan variant. The stock kit has a hardtop body labeled 1964. But today's kit is, again, the sedan gasser kit. We got a chrome tree there, clears tree, opaque parts, 2 bags of those. Got another chrome set. More opaque parts, and in the box we got our tires, instructions, and decals. And we got this unbagged and we'll take a closer look. Okay, we'll take a quick look at the instructions. This kit does have a copyright of 2021. And we'll get these instructions open. A little bit of an unusual unfold here. Got their normal importance, some tips. There's one shot of the belt up with decals. There's an alternate. There it is, without decals. Shot of our completed engine, our chassis. There's another shot of that interior and engine. Flip this over, give you a look at how Moebius does their instructions. Well laid out, notes and tips along the way. We'll start off with some chrome. And here is our smaller tree. Looks like we got some taillight housings, aftermarket air cleaner. Looks like we got some hood trim there, horn ring, more taillight housings, a couple of shifter varieties, aftermarket valve covers with the bow tie and Chevy script. Couple of nice looking bumpers there. We do have some side mirrors there. And our second chrome tree. Some more light housings. Inside rear view. Another shifter. Got another trim molding. Another set of aftermarket valve covers. Some gauge pods. Looks like some door handles. Headlight buckets. We got our wheels. Nice racing set of wheels there. Blower housing and scoop. Little injector assembly. Our blower ends. Another set of bumper and grill package. Again, separate headlights. Really nice looking chrome setup there. And moving on into the opaque, we got some engine components here. We got our 2 block halves, some stock style exhaust. So we got a carb, 2-piece carb package there, starter, filler neck, fuel pump, maybe another alternator there, distributor, belts, front cover, one of the heads, oil pan, fan, and another carburetor. Again, the Moebius likes to have multiple designs out of the same tooling. We have a manual transmission, a stock air cleaner, and kind of a stock manifold, a couple of hoses, a little bitty tree here with some horns. We have a hood with the opening already in it for you. Some nice detail underneath. A rear panel with the chrome or the trim molded in. We have a radiator support as a unit, firewall, fan shroud, and radiator component. We got our door sides or inside door trims. Very plain, smooth, with just a couple of handles. Some wheel backing plates, some wheel components, master cylinders, some more horns. We do have our 3-pedal package. I'm guessing those are seat backs, hood hinges, a tail panel there, steering column, rear seat area, no seat molded in, true race car style. We got our dash with some nice detail. Body panel there. Here is our floor pan. Some nice crisp detail. Got our gas tank molded in. But no suspension or exhaust, which is nice to see. And we got some nice looking racing seats there. A couple more hoses, rear end housing halves. Nice steering wheel, got an electric fan. Couple of leaf springs on the end. Our brake components, heads. Looks like we got a blower manifold, steering linkage. Got our multi-part headers. Nice individual tubes, some shocks, maybe roll bar components there, some more steering and suspension. And our final tree here, so we got our rear leaf springs, drive shaft, another front cover and belt setup. We have motor mount plate, our rear wheelie bars, some more bracing. More small components. Looks like our header ends. They're kind of that triangulated open header, which is nice to see. A nice simple front axle for the gasser. Part of our roll bar. Little steering unit there. Guessing more roll bar components. There's our front subframe. We got some ladder bars. Some more small bits there. And last for our parts is our clears, windshield back glass, quarter glass, and vent windows. There's no side windows. Again, we looked at that body briefly. Some nice detail work there. Nice radiator support with the hood latch. That is a nice touch. Separate wiper arms for the cowl area. And we got our tire package. Nice small set of pie crust style drag slicks. No branding either side. And our nice small front runners. Good looking tire package for this drag car. And last but not least is our decal package. Again, we get 2 different kind of car names with the gas attack or the Chevy 2 Hot. Little car number, we got some plates there. And we do have some decal inserts. Simple but effective decal sheet. And with that, we'll leave photos at the end. And thanks for watching.